Okay, so what we're going to do here is just run through how you can use our trading bot and the way we like to do it, because there's no doubt about it. The way that we do it here is absolutely fantastic, because what we're combining is a little bit of human input, and then we set the bots live to run. So if you're somebody that is too emotional when you're trading the markets, you get out of trades too early, you're not making any profit whatsoever, but you still want to do a bit of analysis for 10 minutes a day, then we're going to walk through this now, and we'll show you how to set this up, which is really easy to do. Okay, so we've got our flagship award-winning pro trading system right in front of you here, and you can see that when it turns red here, more sellers are coming into the market, and it gives us a sell signal. We have an entry automated, and we have profit targets down here. But let's say we'll talk about longs in the DAX in a second, but let's do the short side on the euro dollar. So we had a short side trade here on around the 1st of October. Now look, let's say you've got to go to work, you've got to, you're just not up for trading, or you just haven't got the time to do it. This is how you can set it up, guys. So you go inside our bot here. And what we want to do is create a new, and I hate the word bot, to be honest. I really dislike, it just feels like a cheapy old $50 trading system that doesn't work. Okay, but hey, that's the world we live in at the moment. So we're going to create a momentum trading signal. Okay, so we're going to dive into here. I'm going to click on create a new bot, because I want to set up a short trading system to the downside and then just leave it alone. So I've clicked on that and come inside of our momentum trigger trading strategy. Now, when you get a signal on the daily chart like we have there on the euro dollar, which is a red pro trade system to short, you want to use a momentum trading strategy, and that's what we're doing here. We're going to name it euro dollar, then we're going to start with 10,000 pounds, euro dollars, whatever. In fact, the currency is the British pound here. We're going to find that market, so we're just going to highlight the euro dollar because that's the market we got the signal. Now these are the time frames down here. 15 minutes you're going to get lots of signals, well, not necessarily, but let's go for 1 hour, because I'm assuming we're going to get probably 1 or 2 signals a day, or 2 trades a day. We're going to do sell signals because that's the direction of the human input with the red pro trend system. We're going to do market order, and we're going to do stop at the last swing, and we'll do 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, and we'll find a date for when we got that signal. Let's go in here quickly and change that date. 2024, and that was October. So we start from the start of the month, October here, to the 17th of the month. All right, so set the bot up. This is what you would do. You just set it up once you get that signal on the daily. You got the date set up, and then you just run the bot for the signals. Okay, so there you go. It's the 17th. Well, we haven't even had 17 days of trading. Of course, there's weekends in there, and you can see here a really good win rate of 81%. We've made £4,000 on the trade. Let's have a look, see how many trades we've done. We did 1.5 trades a day. If you want to slow that down, you just do the 4-hour time frame. If you want to speed it up, do the 15-minute time frame. Nice drawdown. You're only drawing down £259, but you're making £4,000 here. Remember, we're just halfway through the month, guys. So really good. Risk reward 1 to 1.8, expectancy 1.33. So pretty good, doing nothing. Stagnation for 5 days, but we just go up and up and up and up. And then you can just withdraw that at the end of the month if you want to, or you can compound it. All right, let's have a little look at another one like the DAX. Wow, we have just been green all the way up here from the start of the year. It's lots of greens. And then a final green here going on. So we want to be taking long trades. You can pause the bot when it turns red. So if you turn the bot on here when it turned green, you could pause it right here when it turns red. I'm sure the results will be better. But what we're going to do, we're just going to run the bot for long trades only all the way through from the 1st of this year. Okay, we're going to type in DAX long trades, and we are going to just have 10 grand. Let's change it to 50k to make it a little bit more fun. We're going to go into the equity area here and just highlight the German DAX. We're going to do 1 hour time frame. We'll do buy signals on this. We're going to go in at market, risk 1% per trade. Last swing's the stop. We'll do 2-to-1 risk reward. Do the last 12 months just to get it done. Okay, oh, this is good. This is good. So we did 50k account. It's made it's made £284,000 this year. It's a big number. One trade a day. That's nothing, is it? One trade a day. That's a nice number with a 50k account. Drawdown 16% here. The equity curve looks very good, nice and smooth, not too erratic. You don't want big swings with an equity curve here. 50% win rate. Okay, that's really interesting because, you know, we could have turned it on when it turns red on the daily chart, couldn't we? Or the weekly chart, whatever it was. We could have just turned it off. We would definitely get the win rate up and make more money if we turn it off and pause it, or just pause it when it turns red with our manual inputs of managing it. So while the Pro Trend system stays green all the way up, you know, it's really easy. It's green all the way up. We keep it turned on. When it turns red, we just pause it. So yeah, good risk reward, 2 to 1. We could certainly get that win rate up. But look at that, guys, 300,000, £284,000 profit this year. Really nice indeed. So I've created a bot to test gold, because gold's been in a bull market, hasn't it? Everyone has been long gold. And so I've created a bot for gold, for momentum, using the 1 hour time frame, buy signals only, at market, last swing, 2 to 1 risk reward. You can make it 3 to 1 if you wanted to. Let's do the last 12 months. No optimization, we're just going to run it as normal. We don't need that. Okay, so we made 28,000. Gold's not a massive, I don't feel like gold's got the volatility all the time to create huge amount of signals. I mean, we've got just over 1 signal a day on this. 55% win rate, decent drawdown. It's all right, gold. Yeah, I mean, just go straight up with doing nothing. It's not bad to make £28,000 doing absolutely nothing. So yeah, that's how we use the bot, guys. That's a great way. And you know, you can set the bot up to send you the signals, and you can manually take the trades by just clicking on your mobile phone if you want to. It works very nicely indeed. But you've got to get that combination of the human input and the machine doing the work for you. You just set the machine up just to take long and short trades. It's going to cause havoc, because why would you do that? You know, no bot really is going to be very good just taking long and short trades in, say, the German DAX or the Nasdaq, because the trend has been up, and if the trend's up on all the bigger time frames, wouldn't you just switch off the short side trades and just do long trades? You know, the chances of you making much more money increases. And when the trend shifts, pause the bot and maybe do a short trade like I did on the British pound. All right, so that's a look at the bots it here working, me testing it. Hope it helps, and of course it can help you with your manual trading as well.